Hi, this is Nishchal.
Hi, this is Thanuj.
We are the founders of
Vrihaa
Vrihaa Labs. So, in India, every digital marketing agency is facing the same problem. They have dozens of their client websites to maintain. All of them are built on different platforms, and even to change a single line of the content or to change a single image, they'll have to find developers which will actually increase the usage of resources and which will increase the budget and also push the deadlines. So at Vrihaa Labs, we have come up with a new solution, that is a content management system, and our content management system can adapt to every website that is already built, or it can start a new website to be built. So what it will do, it will help a non-tech person also to change the content and to change the images at ease, which will actually reduce the cost of the projects and increase the productivity.
Our platform consists of visual dev editor and content editor battle tested on real world scenarios to maximize the revenue and increase the productivity of the agencies. And the best part is our platform will exist with AI or without AI.
So, in India, the digital marketing company's economy is around 6.7 billion and is projected to grow at a rate of 30%. And we are bringing a product which will contribute to maximize the growth of your agency and productivity of your agency. So, why wait? Contact us and learn more about our product. Thank you.